Guys, welcome back to Me Everything channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So today we will be looking at this Air Jordan 3 desert elephant or elephant print. So as you can see, this is a different box because the whole box is printed in elephant print, and there's this elephant, the Jumpman logo, and maybe Jordan. So yeah, and inside we also have this tissue in elephant print. So this is not the usual cement that we're seeing in Jordan 3, but this is a elephant print. So here is the shoe. So the color blocking of this is the same with the black cement. So we have four colors here: black, rush orange, fossil stone, and seal. The black part here is leather. So the elephant print overlays is more of a natural brown elephant texture. At the back, we also have this Air Jordan logo. So the typical red that we see on the Jordan trees were replaced with rush orange. So on the midsole, we also have this sail color. On the tongue part, we have this sail colorway as well as the sock liner, and inside we have this elephant print, the Jordan logo, and the Jordan 3 best on earth. This print is similar with the box that I've shown you earlier. And also we have this gray color with soft touch of brown color and the Jordan print. So this will be released on the July 1st with the retail price of 200 USD. So what I can say about this shoe is that it's a nice shoe. It actually looks good, especially like the black leather part. It's actually a really clean leather. So this is a really nice shoe. When I first saw this in photos, like, hey, this is a nice shoe, you know. It's not bad, and I actually like to see this in person. So it's a nice one because they replaced the cement with an elephant print, which you can barely see. If you want the cement, maybe you will not like this, but if you want something different, like a low key, then you will definitely like this. I must say that overall this is a good shoe. So here's the answer.